Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer funds from Fifth Third Bank to a non-Fifth Third Bank in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it right and avoid any hiccups. Whether you're sending money to a friend, paying off a loan, or just moving funds around, this guide has you covered. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Fifth Third Bank account via their website or mobile app. If you haven't updated your app to the 2025 version, do that now. It's packed with new security features. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers section, usually found in the main menu. It's that easy. Next, you'll need to add the external bank account you're transferring to. Click on Add External Account, and enter the routing number and account number of the receiving bank. Double-check these details because accuracy is key to avoiding delays. Fifth Third might ask you to verify the account by making a couple of small test deposits, which could take 1 to 2 business days in 2025. Plan accordingly. Once verified, select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be daily limits, so if you're moving a large sum, you could need to do it in chunks or request a temporary increase through customer support. Hit Review to confirm all the details. From account to account, amount, and any fees involved. Fees are often minimal, but always check. Before you finalize, take a moment for security. In 2025, Fifth Third uses advanced multi-factor authentication, so be prepared to verify via your phone or biometrics. This extra step keeps your money safe from scams. Once everything checks out, click Confirm, and you're done. The funds should arrive in 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. And there you have it. Transferring funds between banks doesn't have to be a headache. If you run into issues, reach out to Fifth Third's 24/7 support. They're top-notch. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.